welcome back. JesseMc here, and today we're actually going to be revisiting one of my first videos I put out. It's the slam skateboard you might see poking out here on the wall. You may or may not have seen people put normal skateboard trucks like on top of their board and do the whole long bolt thing and all that. And I'm a metal fabricator by trade, so I came up with this. But first things first, we have to redesign the layout of the trucks. Alright, so first things first, we have to redesign these because every time I've done this, I've changed out the wheel size. These are 83s. What I'm going to be using today is a 78. But for this batch, I got all the same size wheels, so it's going to be a lot easier. I can just design the layout once and just replicate a big batch and put it all together. It'll be way easier. Alright, so I wanted to stop real quick where I was because the main question I get all the time is it rideable? And yes, it definitely is. This right here, it's kind of hard to see. It's about a little less than a finger's width, you know what I'm saying? Distance, that's your ride height. This is my personal one. It has the biggest wheels I've done so far, so it has the most clearance in that. It's definitely rideable. It doesn't have any scratches on there or anything. I've only rode it a couple times though, so the other ones had smaller wheels. They had a little bit less clearance. These, I just want to make sure that they are rideable, so I'm definitely going to have more of this ride height compared to the other two I did. They were fine. I always ride them just to make sure how much flex is in them. I'm 180 pounds, so I mean, that's pretty average for, if I can ride it, most people can ride it. And you know, it's not like I'm gonna go around do tricks or anything, you know, take it to a car show or something and just like cruise around. You can do very little kick turns and eventually get a turn going. So I just wanted to clarify those couple of little things. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I can take this template here and trace out these sides and mark these lines here for the top plates that you see here. And all those do is just clean up the whole thing, you know, they don't really do much. That little bead roll actually adds a little bit support so they don't flex too much. That's the thing I noticed, is it flexes a little bit, but I think having the smaller wheel and having it down, the axle is going to be closer to the wood rather than like way up high. So I think that'll all work out really well. And in metalwork, templates are everything, you know. You don't want to waste expensive metal and all that. So now we're just going to lay this out as many times as I need to make that many boards. Alright, so first things first, get this clean so you don't ruin your Sharpie while you're tracing everything out. Also, I found a piece with a straight edge. If you can do that, that'll save you time in cutting everything because we're working with straight edges, so you don't have to cut an extra side or anything. Alright, so first off, if you made it this far into the video, I appreciate you. Why don't you go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more. But I'm here at the skate park and I want to show you, I have my personal skateboard because I don't want to scratch up like a customer's board or anything that I'm trying to sell. So I want to show that you can ride these around. They are rideable. I'll do some kick turns and stuff, and then maybe I'll see if they'll clear these ramps. I'm not really sure, but I think they might, and if I can, I'll just ride up and like maybe ride to fakie or something. See how it goes. So like I've said before, it's definitely not meant for tricks or anything. I stopped after that. I don't want to break the deck or break anything in general. I just want to, you know, keep it and ride it as I can. I am gonna email Braille and see if they'll put it on their You Make It We Skate It series. So if you follow them, maybe you'll see it on there. Maybe not. Maybe you came here from there. If that's what happened, then awesome. If you like what you saw, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. I'm always over here making things, knives, skateboarding, different art projects, painting and such. So see you on the next one.